What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a really quick video on how I installed this super easy UPART bob wig from Luvmehair. Alright, so first things first, I think they just have like the cutest packaging, and they always make sure to hook you up with everything that you need for your wig install. Alright y'all, so the hair comes nicely packaged in this little cute purple drawstring bag. They provide you with a lot of extra goodies. I know if you do spend a certain amount of money on your purchase, they do provide you with a gift. The gifts that I have received are free flat iron, as you can see. Perfect for your edges and those little short hairs that are hard to get with a big flat iron. They provide you with wig caps, of course, and then they give you a little baggie filled with more goodies. So I did notice in the light, the wig kind of has like a reddish, brownish tint to it, but it is like a natural black color. So you can't really tell unless you're like really in the light. So I did go ahead and wash, blow dry, flat iron my wig. That way it would lay nice and flat and how I wanted it to. And now let's just get ready for this install. What's up? So I wanted to get into better lighting so y'all could really see like this wig and how it looks and everything after I flat iron my hair. So I was like super worried about getting a bob wig because my hair is not short. My hair is pretty long. But the one thing that I really liked about this wig is it's like an asymmetrical like bob where it's longer in the front and kind of shorter in the back. So I ended up getting the 12-inch and I love it. Like, I feel like it's the perfect length. I probably could go maybe a little shorter. This is just probably gonna be one of my favorite UPART wigs to just snap on real easy, real quick, and it just gives you this really chic, look. Ain't nothing like a good bob wig. It just gives you like a super crisp, clean, chic look. This is perfect for now in this heat and this weather. Whether you going somewhere or you not, because this virus is still going on. But even if you just going downstairs, you can still look cute. You can still swing that thing. Yeah, y'all, this is perfect for my moms out there. When things finally start looking up and all this coronavirus and COVID is over, take your kids to school, pop this thing on. You gotta run an errand, pop this thing on. It's gonna be super quick, super easy, and you're gonna look so chic and put together, promise. I think right now I prefer this over the long UPART wig that I got, especially in this heat. I love the shortcut. Something about a shortcut that just makes you look a little bit older and more mature, you know what I'm saying? Just chiseled. I don't really know if that was the word to describe it, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. Okay, I did not notice a lot of shedding with this hair like I did my longer UPART wig. I've gotten quite a bit of shedding out of that one, but this one has been a-okay. This wig actually also fits so much better than my longer UPART wig. That one was like kind of too big, and it got to the point where it would kind of bunch up in the back, and it made my head look all huge. I already got a huge head, so I just didn't like the whole bunching up that it was doing because there was a lot of space left. And then whenever like I would try to put the hair behind my ear or anything, there is like a little tab right here. So it would kind of get in my way and it would make it bunch up even more. This is definitely big head friendly. And I feel like it would definitely work for somebody with a smaller head too. The one thing that I can say about Luvmehair is they have very quick shipping. Both of my wigs came pretty quick. My first wig came a little bit quicker. It came like within 2 or 3 days. I think this wig took 4 or 5 days, but that's still a pretty decent time, especially considering everything that's going on. I forgot to show you guys the construction, but it's basically 2 clips right here at the top, a clip in the middle, and then there's a clip at the bottom, which I said in my last video, I really wasn't too keen on the clip in the back because it kind of snugs on my hair, you know, my little kitchen area. But I definitely don't have to worry about this coming off. This is really sturdy. Like I said, there's 3 clips at the top and then there's 1 clip at the back, so you definitely don't have to worry about anything. So I think this wig comes in 10, 12, and 14 inches. I kind of wanted the 10 inch because I really wanted like a cute short cut, but if I do get a wig like that, it'll probably be like a full wig because with, you know, me leaving my hair out and my hair being longer than 10 inches, I just wasn't sure if it was going to blend in. The one thing that I would love to see them offer is just more sizes, you know, for people, because UPART wigs can be like a hit or miss because, you know, everybody's head is not the same size. For something that you haven't tried on and something that's not specifically made for your head size, it can be like a hit or miss. Pretty much all that I can think of about this wig. If y'all have any more questions, leave them in the comments. As usual, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one.